Fishing, a great way to spend time at any body of water and engage with nature. Although, it's certainly not a task that comes without its physical prerequisites. Introducing AutoB8, a platform that allows a user to catch a fish without any physical input. This is done in 3 parts by placing your bait at a point of interest, sensing if there's interaction, and then reeling it in if there is. This is of course analogous to casting and feeling your line and then reeling it in real life if you were to do this manually. Our solution will appear something like this. Effectively, an RC airboat will tow out our bait and line out to a set position on the lake. Once arrived, it will deposit the bait and line into the lake and then return to home. Back on land, our motorized reel will make the determination if a fish is interacting with our line or not, and then, if so, reel in the fish. Here is a video demonstration of our project in a real-world environment at Grapevine Lake. You are seeing split-screen footage of the onboard analog camera on the boat to your left and cell phone footage captured of the motorized reel on land on your right. The first-person footage from the perspective of the boat is of a diminished quality because the onboard camera is analog. It is similar to that of a security camera and prioritizes latency over quality. The main feature we're trying to demonstrate here you can see on the right as the motor's feeding line to the boat as tension is applied. We're going to lose ground footage here for a second. We're going to go ahead and speed up our onboard DVR as the boat travels out to the point of interest. Meanwhile, as the boat is traveling, the motorized reel is using the encoder it has attached to it to record the position of where the line starts and where the line ends, so that way it knows exactly how far it needs to reel in to bring the fish back home. And we'll get back ground footage here as we get closer to our point of interest, and we can see in both the left and the right frames the moment that the bait is actually dropped into the water, and we can see that the bobber gets left behind. The boat will then perform a right-hand turn to move out of the way of the bait and then perform the return to home procedure. In this next clip, Jacob will narrate over footage of the reel reeling in the line once a bite has been detected. Jacob is going to be simulating this bite by tugging on the line with his hand.
Okay, so as of right now, we are in state 2. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna be the one to give it a quote unquote bite and let it reel in. So I'm gonna just pull on it right here to give it tension to imitate a bite. So we'll watch the bobber. There it goes. So you can see the line's gonna start reeling in. Right now the boat is just getting footage for us. You can see it coming in. And there it goes.
In terms of design, both the boat and the reel were modeled in SolidWorks. Additionally, a motherboard for the motorized reel was created within EasyEDA. I wrote all the code, designed the reel, designed the motherboard, and the bait dropping mechanism. Caesar assisted with board design. Austin designed the boat. Jacob was the team leader, he designed the enclosure, and he assisted with systems integration.